Head over to my channel to check out different bike model playlists with English, Spanish, French, and Chinese subtitles.
This video is a dealer training video. Please enjoy and subscribe. Thank you.
One day, you may go to your GK 350 and your keyless fob won't bring your bike to life. You think, what the hell? And instantly start thinking your lithium 3-volt keyless fob battery might be dead. But here is the deal. This video will show you how to reactivate your keyless fob to your Zontes GK 350. It's a simple process. This process works with all Zontes 350 models. You just need to know where the receiver is located. So each 350 model receiver is shown in this video. Please share this video on your Zontes social and spread the word. The channel can only survive with your help. There are over 2,000 videos on my channel regarding all Zontes maintenance in English, French, Spanish and Chinese subtitles. Please take a look. Till the next time, Madmick.